We have a lovely summer day, which you can tell by those sweat patches on my t-shirt. And I found myself at this completely ordinary forest crossroads. Nothing legendary or epic about it. But the same place can look completely different depending on how you decide to approach it. So today I want to show you a few distinct ways to photograph a place or a scene. First way is to shoot from afar. This is the so-called establishing shot, as it shows a lot of environment and gives the viewer a sense of place and scale. It is also the most neutral and objective approach of them all. A completely different approach is to add a layer. I'm shooting through the leaves, so they create a frame and also add depth to the photo. I've talked about it in this video. The leaves also help softening the image and make it more immersive, like you're watching the crossroads through them rather than standing openly on it. Another idea is to change your point of view. Rather than looking straight ahead, look up or look down. Get high or get low. Stones and gravel that make these roads are the integral part of these crossroads, so they should be included. Same goes for the shapes that tree canopies create against the sky. Unfortunately, I do not own a drone yet, but it would also be a great idea to fly one high and then shoot this crossroads from top-down point of view. Another approach is to add a human element. I'm using my bike here. Suddenly this shot gets a sense of scale and a clear subject. The crossroads stops being just crossroads and becomes a place someone is moving through. It builds a story, even though there isn't really one here. The bike also serves as a defined spot for our eyes to land onto when we look at the photo. Last but not least, look for something extra. A thing I like to do when a place feels ordinary is to look for shapes or arrangements that can carry a second meaning. Here it is simple. I take a wide-angle lens and take a photo showing two different paths, hoping that someone might feel like it represents choices we face in life. Even saying that feels stupid, but trust me, for someone it can carry that second meaning, and for them, your photo will be a bit more special than the others. It should be intentional, and then you are no longer shooting what is there, but what it means.